Welcome to American Mahjong Lesson 3. We're going to play a sample game with a consecutive run that I had you block off on the card last time. Mix all the tiles and lay them face down. Each person will choose 13 tiles and place them on the rack. My friends Nancy, Margie, Leslie, and Dawn are going to help me with this lesson. After picking their tiles, they will make walls in front of their racks. One wall will come out to the middle of the table to play the game. They are all trying to make a Mahjong hand with those tiles using the consecutive run. To make Mahjong, they will need 14 tiles that are in their hand. Now they're going to lay their tiles face up on the rack. And they're going to put them in correct suits in numerical order. We are not going to be using the wins in this game. They will be discards. One person will start the game by picking a tile. That will give her 14 tiles. Rack the tile right away. You want everyone to hear that sound of that racking. Discard a tile that you won't use by saying the name of the tile and laying it face up on the table.
6 bam.
The person on the right will pick up a tile and rack it. This will stop the play of the game of the previous tile. She will discard a tile.
South wind.
The play goes to the right, but the walls go to the left.
East wind.
Non-crack.
Jadda. North wind.
North wind.
Players are looking at their hands and the tiles and listening to what the player is discarding.
A crack.
East wind.
When a player wants a tile, they will say, stop, I want it, wait, call, anything to indicate for the next person that is picking the tile to stop and wait. If the person starts to pick up the tile from the wall and she hears stop, next person in line must put your tile back.
8 bam.
Wait, I would like this tile.
The person that wants the tile has a chance to see if she could make a grouping of either 3 or 4, either with a joker or without a joker. If she decides to take the tile, no matter if it is her turn or not, she can pick up that tile, but she must display it on top of the rack. We are playing an open hand, so we are just putting the tiles in front of the rack.
North wind.
8 dot. West wind.
8 dot.
If the person stopping the game decides she doesn't need that tile, then the game continues where it left off.
9 dot.
Wait. No, I think I'm okay right now.
Six dot.
1 bam. 1 crack.
5 bam.
Wait a minute. 3 bam.
8 crack. 5 crack.
5 crack.
Now the wall will go to the left, so the person that the wall is in front of will push it where the nail is out to the center and push it up so everybody can get it. I like to have people put a tail on the back of it to show where the end of the wall is. The wall goes to the left again. Put a tail on it.
Two crack.
I'll take it.
Red dragon.
Wait, I'll take that.
If a grouping is displayed with a joker and either you pick up that tile or you have it in your hand, you can ask politely to exchange the joker for that tile. You need to have the person hand the tile to you. You cannot take it for yourself. If you have a grouping with a joker and you pick up the tile, you can exchange your own tile for that joker.
May I please have your joker for your red dragon? Thank you.
You must pick up from the wall before you exchange for that joker. You pull from where the nail is out and put a tail at the end of the row.
Seven bam.
I want it.
She is able to change her own tile for that joker.
Four dot. Hold
One
on.
second.
Two people have asked for that same tile. It was a 4 dot. The person that is next in line to the right can receive it, even though two people have taken it. So Dawn would be the next one in line, so she gets to take that 4 dot.
Take your joker over there, please.
Oh, of course.
Okay.
You need to draw from the wall before you can take that joker. At this point, no one was able to get Mahjong. But let's look at the tiles that we have. You want to show your friends what you have working on because that helps them out. So go ahead. Let's have Dawn do hers.
I was doing that second one down with the ones, the twos, the threes, and the fours. So I was short, well, a few twos or ones, either way you look at it. I had my threes and fours.
And I was doing the consecutive run, doing 2, 3, 4, and 5.
Oh, see, we canceled each
Yes.
other out.
And I was doing the second one down.
But hers would have been dead because she put out 3 8s and she actually needed 4 8s in that.
I was doing the one with 2 flowers, 1s, 2s, 3s, and the dragons, except I couldn't get the 2 1s, and as I looked at the end, I noticed all the 1 cracks were out there, so my hand was dead because I'd never be able to pick up the 1s.
And she couldn't pick up the ones because she cannot use a joker for a single or a pair. So no one was able to get Mahjong on this game, so it was called a wall game. Thank you, ladies. When you only need 1 tile to make Mahjong, you can play the game until you pick a tile or someone else discards the tile that you need. If the only tile you need is a single or a pair and someone discards that tile, then you can call Mahjong for that tile. These ladies have been playing for a while. Normally they would not see what other players have on the rack. They will only see what is discarded. In our next lesson, I will go over the 2025 card. As I said before, you can use a card from any year for these lessons because they're similar in their hands. There may be some differences, but not enough that you won't learn the game. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. A day without sunshine is just an extra day for crafting or playing a game.